If we're gonna do this for the gram, let's do it right.
Before and after selfies.
Before and after, big time.
I love it.
Do the Home Alone. Your mom's gonna be so proud.
She already is, but yeah.
I'm on my way to meet Lucas. He lives really close to downtown and he's renting an apartment up in this building. He doesn't own the place, but he'd love to do some upgrades. So, because he can't do a renovation, I'm gonna teach him how to do a rentovation.
Check out the place.
Wow, yeah, that's a great view. So tell me about the place.
Well, obviously, yeah, you walk in, great view, lots of light. But then you turn your head to the left and you look at this. Leaky faucet, red backsplash, even just up here, what is this?
What's the main thing that inspires you with this apartment?
When you walk in, you see the view, and I want the view to match the kitchen.
Okay, let's take a look at the view. Oh yeah.
So yeah, right? $1 million view.
I think I know exactly what we need to do.
You got this.
This is great.
I believe in you.
I'm
Please make it beautiful. Please.
I'm gonna make you believe in your own kitchen when we're done. How about that?
I love it.
So we're gonna have to clear things out. The backsplash is gonna take the longest.
Yep.
The plan is not to rip anything out because you're a tenant, so you have to leave it the way you found it.
Right.
So everything that we're going to install can be removed as well. I'd like to get started right away. You let me know when you need the kitchen for all the meal prep.
The only thing I need is one appliance, the lovely little toaster.
Okay.
I've cooked up something perfect for you. It's sort of like the tenant special. Pop-Tarts, peanut butter and jam. PB&J Pop-Tart Sammy.
Oh boy. This is gonna be something.
It's gonna be tasty.
I say we just get started.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna grab some tools. That was fast.
Done.
Okay, good. I'm gonna get the faucet removed in a second, but I want to get you on job number one. Here is the faux panel of brick, right? But it's light, it looks like brick, it's got the texture, and we're gonna paint it. This is actually looking better than I thought. And don't go on too thick. See how you can see the brick coming through a little here? I like that, actually. That is looking great. Project number two, while that's drying, you can take a piece of wallpaper, any type of wall covering, and you can put it at the back of your cabinets.
Okay.
Since you don't own these,
Right.
we're gonna create a false panel. I'm just cutting these foam core board, and we'll apply our wallpaper to this, right? Oh, that's totally different. I like that. My next item will be this faucet. Looks something like that.
Awesome.
Pretty slick, right?
Oh yeah.
Light fixture is gonna have to change next as well. All right, so I have half an hour worth of stuff left.
Okay.
You wanna try to time it so that food's ready same time that I'm ready?
Absolutely, yeah.
How much time do you need to make this PB Royale?
Not much time at all. Look, I got all my materials right here. I'll just go out on the balcony.
Perfect.
Meet you out there.
Working hard out here or what?
I've just been, getting ready to prep.
I don't have any utensils.
You don't need them. You don't need them for this kind of meal.
All right, let's make it happen. Teach me the PB&J Royale, okay?
So rip that
Whoa!
open. I know, right?
This has got icing and stuff
It's
on
exciting, it's exciting. So like the secret of Pop-Tarts is you have to toast them.
They're hot.
Right?
Okay.
So now
Next
you go,
up.
dip it in there. Yeah, you wanna smear it on. You want a nice smear.
Peanut butter.
Right? So yeah, now dig into the jam.
Jam?
Just
I
go
like
in.
jam.
Do you wanna cheers it?
I'm ready.
Hey, thank you for the kitchen.
Yeah, well, don't thank me yet. There's so much happening right now. That's good. I appreciate the attempt. You're a very brave man, but I think I'm gonna go home and have dinner after this.
I'll probably watch a cooking show.
I wanna show you what we've done. Come on. All right, here we go.
I'm ready.
The improved kitchen. Step right in. Open up your eyes.
This is wild.
Does this look good or what?
There's no red. There's no red at all. I can't see any red.
All red is gone. Let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Wow, what?
Right?
What?
Right?
What is this? What is this? This is wild.
Looks good. All right,
I
man.
feel like at home.
You feel at home?
Yeah.
You're gonna have lots of people over and you're gonna feel sophisticated?
No more Pop-Tarts.
No more Pop-Tarts. All right, this is a big moment.
I love it.
Thanks, Lucas.
Thank you, Scott.
Enjoy, my friend.